India, of course, is moving forward for mass vaccination of children between the age group of 2 to 18. At least that's the effort. Subject expert committee has recommended that Bharat Biotech be granted permission to conduct phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of Covaxin on children from the age group of 2 to 18 years. Now, information is that the trial will take place in 525 on 525 subjects at various sites, including the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi, Patna, at hospitals in Nagpur. Sources also say that the firm will have to submit the interim safety data of phase 2 clinical trial before proceeding to phase 3. Covaxin is indigenously developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research and is being administered to adults in the ongoing COVID-19 vaccination drive. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Milan Sharma for more on this. Milan, bring us details about the current process and how soon from this point to the time that we can expect children to be vaccinated. And will this be a vaccination or will this be a nasal spray?
Gaurav, very important questions. It will take some months from this point onwards, because right now what the SEC panel has done is just given Bharat Biotech the approvals for a trial. So the trials will have the phase 2 and phase 3, which will take some time. But this is a welcome step, Gaurav, because we know that experts have now said that within the second wave, where we saw children getting infected with COVID-19, the third wave could also see more and more children getting infected, because the estimate most of us adults will have taken a shot. So it's going to take some time, but it is a step forward for India, because Bharat Biotech is India's indigenous vaccine maker, which will make a vaccine for children now aged 2 to 18 years. We already know that trials have been done on some participants that were 12 years of age. But importantly, now children need to be vaccinated to protect them at least from the third wave that is still impending on us.
Milan, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.